female professional soccer
Yes.
player is very different than a male soccer player, because obviously we don't get paid as much as, the men do. So, some of my normal days, for instance, my first experience playing professional soccer was in Iceland.
Mm-hmm.
So in Iceland, in the morning, I would wake up, I don't know, around 6:37, and I would go coach an Icelandic girls youth team, their summer camps.
Just to make some money. I looked up the pay discrepancy between men and women in professional sports. Cristiano Ronaldo plays for Real Madrid. He's the Portuguese professional footballer. He also is on the Portugal national team. He made over $79 million in earnings last year, whereas the highest female player, Alex Morgan, she's the American two-time Olympic gold medalist, FIFA World Women's Cup champion, forward for the Orlando Pride, and she also plays on the national women's United States soccer team. She is only making $650,000 a year. If you can just give me your comments and thoughts about the enormous pay discrepancy between the two.
In the U.S., the women's national team, as many have heard, have been fighting for equal rights, which they should, because they're the ones who have qualified and qualify consistently to World Cups.
And have won World Cups.
Have won World Cups.
Correct.
Exactly, and gold medals. Where the men's team in the U.S., they just recently did not qualify for this upcoming Russia World Cup. And they're the ones, filling the stadiums, also selling jerseys, and they should be getting paid equally. Whereas in comparison to us in Colombia on the Colombian national team, we're not fighting for equal pay. We're fighting for pay. Period. To actually earn a penny or something for the time that we put in and the hard work and risk of our body and everything that we put in. We're fighting for pay, but it has to come from us within, and obviously, like, fighting for any type of rights and everything, there's a lot of fear to speak out, because there's fear of losing your place on the team or getting axed from the team. So it's just an ongoing issue that we also see here in the USA with women. It's challenging, and I'm always open to tell everyone how much I made, because it's not like, it's not going to a doctor or dentist, hey,
Right.
what was your annual income this year? I say it because there needs to be change. There was a summer league in Iceland, a professional league, which it was my first pro league. I was making around $1,500 a month. And then I had to work extra during the soccer camps. I played here in the USA as well, in the pro league here, $2,000 a month. I'd have to work extra as well. So it's these kind of circumstances that, us as female athletes have to go through, plus train all day, plus, prepare your meals so that you're not eating out and spending more money, and then plus working on top of it. So it's an ongoing, issue, and something that we have to fight for.
I mean, the amount of time and effort and energy you put in to bringing joy to many people, not only from Colombia, around the world, watching you play soccer, and risking injury, and to be making what is basically minimum wage. Basically, that's what it is, to be making minimum wage. And at the same time, watching other professionals who may not have even had as great success as you making more just because they're men. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.